How to fix DNS issue on Windows 11. To fix DNS issue on Windows 11, try 1. Contact your ISP. Meantime, use some public DNS server. 2. Power cycle modem, router, and computer. 3. Renew IP, flush DNS, reset WinSock. Run these commands as admin: IP protocol configuration / flushdns, IP protocol configuration / registerdns, IP protocol configuration / release, IP protocol configuration / renew netshare WinSock reset catalog netshare in IPv4 reset.log. Netshare in IPv6 reset.log 4. Perform a clean boot on the system. 5. Activate the Microsoft LLDP protocol driver. 6. Install latest. Network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Change power plan.